How to change graphic settings in Legend Fighter Mortal Battle. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. While playing Legend Fighter Mortal Battle, if you want to adjust the graphic settings, then follow through the instructions. First of all, launch open the Legend Fighter Mortal Battle game on your device, and once you're inside this lobby page, go to the upper left corner and tap on the gear button. This will open a settings menu where you need to select General from the top. Inside General, go to Quality option and simply go ahead and tap on the arrows to switch between the quality. You can switch from high to medium to low. If you have a low performing device, then you can select the low option. But if you have a high performing device, then you can go ahead and choose the medium or the high option. You can also adjust the FPS from the bottom menu. For low-end devices, choose 30. For high-end devices, choose 60. So right after you do that, you will be able to change your quality or your graphic settings in Legend Fighter Mortal Battle. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.